To naslednja razstava je razstava karikatur gospoda Stankota Šerca, priznanega karikaturista v slovenskem merilu in tudi širše slovansko poznan. Gospod Šerc se ukvarja z karikaturami že v bistvu v mladosti.
So the other exhibition behind you is the caricatures of Mr. Šerc. He is a well-known caricaturist in Slovenia and abroad, and he's been making these characters since young age, as you can probably imagine.
Torej, povedal bom eno anekdoto iz njegove mladosti, ko je še obiskoval šolo. Torej, v šoli je rad opazoval vse, kar se je pa dogajalo in je seveda risal, kot rišejo tudi naši učenci, razne stvari, tisto, kar jih pač najbolj zanima, jih privlačuje. No in on je imel torej, tovarišico ali učiteljico, ki je bila noseča.
So he's starting a little joke from his young age when he used to, like everybody, a little bit here and there, draw during the school classes. And he had this teacher that was pregnant.
No, on je svoje narisal. Nažalost je prišla ta slika v roke učiteljici. Takratnih časih je bilo bolj hudo, bolj ostro. In seveda je učiteljica takoj napisala pismo njegovim staršem. In oče je moral v šolo. V šoli so seveda povedali, zakaj se gre. In oče ga je vso pot klofotal, torej šole. Njega ni toliko bolelo to, kar je narisal, oziroma, da je ni pravzaprav ni prizadeval, niti učiteljica, ampak to, da so drugi ljudje videli, kaj da ga klofota.
So, he drew the caricature of this pregnant teacher, and along the way, that this caricature came into the hands of a teacher, of this very teacher that was drawn in the picture. The teacher, of course, wasn't very pleased, and in those days, this was like a serious offense, and so the teacher right away wrote a letter to his father. His father came to school and everything, and on the way home, he was like slapping his face, Mr. Šerc said he wasn't, it's amazing that nobody was, that he wasn't hurt so much by the slapping, even the teacher wasn't hurt so much by the picture, and the father also but he hurt the most that other people saw that his father was slapping him on the way.
To se pravi, slika je tudi v srednji šoli in potem bil je na akademiji za pilota, potem bil torej vojaški pilot in pa civilni pilot. Torej, skozi življenje je naredil izredno dosti razstav, širom po Sloveniji, tudi v tujini, zato je tudi zelo poznan. Poleg tega pa je risal tudi v tale časopis karikatur, torej svoje risbe prispeval in pa promoviran je bil za vitez za karikatur Slovenije.
So later on in high school, he became a pilot, and he was a pilot in his full time, and he made a lot of exhibitions all over Slovenia and the world. So he became very well known, and later on he was cooperating with a very well-known newspaper, and he was putting his caricatures inside. And so eventually they promoted him to the Knight of Slovenian Caricatures.
No, jaz bi se mu zahvalil za to prelepo razstavo in bi mu želel, da bi še naprej tako vredno risal in bil zdrav.
Ja bi nekaj povedal. Prva nagrada je to, ko me oče temu. To je bilo davno 1948 leta.
So, beat him up. That was his first prize for us.